Today on World Famous Foods, Sesame Seed Crusted Salmon. Let's cook. Okay, so let's cook our salmon. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not too much, just a little bit. Then we're gonna coat them with our sesame seeds. Okay, now we're gonna fry our salmon, sesame seeds side down. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper on this other side. Yep, just let this cook. Okay, now we're going to turn them over. All right, looking good. Okay, so for our salmon, we're going to be using some Dijon mustard. It's going to be the sauce here. And some honey. This can be our wonderful sauce. Gonna mix this together. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, our salmon should be ready. Okay, our salmon is done. We got some vegetables and some jalapeno rice we're gonna serve it with. Here we go. Look at that, folks. Look at that. To top it off, that Dijon mustard and honey sauce we got here. Sprinkle some of that on there. Put the rest right there on the side. World Famous Foods.